Cryptocurrency fans out there, welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today we're going to be talking about Konomi, guys. This is looking like it's going to be a juggernaut of a project in the Polkadot ecosystem. It is competing with the likes of Aave and Compound. Before we get into talking about Konomi network, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below. Lastly, don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, and check out the merch store. And of course, guys, the Discord is up and running for you guys to check out. It's going to be in the comment section and the description down for you guys to check it out. And we're going to go over that at the end of the video, of course. But let's get right into the important stuff. Konomi Network, a decentralized money market protocol on Polkadot, guys. It's coming out soon, and it's looking a very good project, a juggernaut of a project in the Polkadot ecosystem, seeing that it's going to be pretty much trying to compete with Compound and Aave, right? So Konomi is a decentralized liquidity and money market protocol for cross-chain crypto assets using Substrate as the development framework. The network aims to provide money markets assets on the Polkadot ecosystem. As you guys can see, cross-chain money market interoperability with existing DeFi, improved base layer performance, and their roadmap here. Basically, we're right here. They got a grade out right here. Q1 of 2021, they will integrate Oracle modules and take price fees for supported assets, launch dashboard for user assets, complete Docker image of Substrate nodes. Then Q2, you got the launch of governance function for the system, support virtual machine and smart contract deployments, and partnerships with DeFi protocols on Ethereum, so they could look to, possibly partner with other assets that are basically competing with them, or some other new assets, right? Then you got Q3, which is the launch of Konomi's mainnet with Polkadot parachain, and connect with other assets by cross-chain bridge onboard node operators for Konomi chain, guys. Let me see, does it goes to Q4? Nope, no Q4. So they have a few blogs, and we're gonna go look at one of their blogs, and they already have some decent partnerships of assets that I already covered, like Tidal Finance and Paralink. So we're going to go look at those after we look at this one Medium article here to go over more in depth of what Konomi actually does and their protocol. So this is the product overview of Konomi. So Konomi, first one is Konomi Trade. Konomi Trade allows users to access liquidity for assets in Polkadot ecosystem. It supports smart contracts based on liquidity protocols, starting with constant product automated market makers. Users could connect decentralized wallets to protocol and trade with intermediate on-chain execution. Since the platform is decentralized, users could trade long trail assets without any restrictions. Now you got Konomi Lend, right? So Konomi Lend is a decentralized money market protocol for users to borrow and lend assets. The product is currently based on a collateralized debit model, position model. Is an important milestone for crypto assets to have compound interest, and this feature could incentivize users to hold the assets. Konomi Lend also has the capacity to become an alternative solution for projects to raise DOT in exchange for their project tokens. For example, projects could accept DOT as collateral to borrow the native tokens issued by the projects and receive interest. So now we're going to talk about Konomi wallets. Aggregate users' positions in decentralized wallets to manage the active positions in different protocols. Just as banking customers would find it troublesome to have several banks at the same time, it will be difficult for a non-professional users to keep track of positions in different DeFi protocols. It complements Konomi Trade and Konomi Bank to give users a one-stop experience to manage assets on DOT. That is perfect, guys. It's making things easier for you guys to actually be able to handle all the trades on the different protocols that we're going to be using, because we're going to be having a lot of different protocols that we're going to be using, right? So basically now the use cases of Konomi's decentralized liquidity protocol allows users to seamlessly use applications on different parachains without the need for repeated exchange for different tokens on decentralized exchange. In the future, when the assets ecology on the parachain becomes more mature, we can support instant token exchange, just like spending credit cards overseas, like there's a default settlement currency. Benefits of from dot ecology's asset. The emergence of lending protocols like Compound, Aave, mainstream assets on Ethereum can obtain time value, which is much higher than the interest in traditional finance. With the improvement of lending infrastructure, there will also be more decentralized structured financial products to provide users with higher liquidity staking rewards. Lastly, Konami hopes to become the underlying lending protocol of Polkadot ecosystem, providing interest in more financial products for the asset in the ecosystem. So that is basically the use cases for the Konami network, right, and the Konami token. Now let's go look at a few of their partnerships, and I do believe they will have more big partnerships, especially in the Polkadot ecosystem. I love seeing Polkadot projects partner with each other. That just grows the ecosystem a lot more, especially with parachains and everything like that. So their first partner we're going to look at is Paralink, which I did cover a while ago. If you guys want to see an in-depth review on Paralink, I will leave that in the cards up top for you guys to check it out. But let's go look at what their partnership details. But Paralink is a parachain with Oracle quorums for Polkadot, providing reliable and trustworthy data sources to other parachains, such as real-time price feeds and price feeds for decentralized markets. Paralink is thrilled to collaborate with Konami and support their network integration to Polkadot Paralink nodes. The integration of Paralink will allow Konami to obtain cross-chain assets, pricing, and real-world data for the money market, starting from DOT and Kusama pairs. The Paralink Oracle will use Konami native token for fees and thus making it seamlessly integration. Their first partnership with Paralink, but I could give you guys the basically overview of Paralink. Paralink is a multi-chain Oracle platform providing real-world data for blockchains. With accurate, reliable, and decentralized data feeds, blockchain applications such as prediction and derivative markets cannot perform calculated actions, as any corruption in price and data feeds can result in large financial loss. Right, so we're moving on to their next partnership, which is with Tidal Finance, which is also another insurance protocol in the Polkadot ecosystem that I did cover. I will leave that in the cards up top for you guys to also check out. Right. So Tidal Finance has joined forces with Konami to provide decentralized insurance services to Konami Lending and Asset Management Funding Pool, offering Konami users to get covered in case of smart contract exploit. Konami will also become an option for Tidal Finance Tidal capital providers to earn additional returns. And this is a quote. Basically, I'm excited to have Konami join the Tidal risk pool as an additional capital return option for cover sellers. Led by the Tidal founder Chad Liu, the Konami team is very talented and they are working on innovative products, and we are all excited to be a part of this journey. Tidal chose to form a partnership with Konami because Konami's important role as a decentralized liquidity and money market protocol for cross-chain crypto assets. Tidal will provide cover options for assets locked in Konami network for lending and management, and Tidal will increase Konami insurance fund efficiency by earning yield for its cover sold. So that is pretty big. Of course, you're going to need insurance for a lending type protocol like Konami. So that is big that they're coming out the gate with already an insurance partnership, right? So that is pretty much it for Konami. Konami is looking like it's going to compete with the likes of Compound, Aave, right? And it's going to be a big player in the Polkadot ecosystem, which I do like. And it's going to be interesting to see how they will do their launch. Are they going to do an IDO on maybe paid network, pools, maybe even Polka Starter? Who knows? It's going to be interesting to see how they launch in the Polkadot ecosystem and what other partnerships they will actually bring to the table. So that is pretty much the video for you guys on Konami Network. But I got a couple other things to talk about. I told you guys I have launched my Discord. You guys could come join. We already got a few people in here already, chopping it up. We was just moving things around just to talk. We get to chill, altcoins, talk about stocks, the DOT ecosystem, of course, and then the EA members where you guys get the altcoin picks that I'm getting into, stock picks that I'm getting into. And for you guys to get access to that, you guys got to join the Patreon. But Discord is also just free. Just the Patreon part just the EA members is that's just the only paid part, but everything else is free to talk about your favorite altcoins, anything like that. If you guys want to join that, just the link will be in the description down below for you guys to check it out. Of course, we also I wanted to let you guys know about the Apron Airdrop that they're doing their little event. So if you guys want to join that, also the link to that will be in the description. Same with bandit, so you guys can actually check into that. And lastly, got the first dApp building on Plasm. It's a decentralized exchange that is building on Plasm, which is indirectly connecting it to the Polkadot ecosystem. As you guys can see here, it's a layer 2 scaling solution powered by Polkadot, Ethereum, and Plasma. So if you guys want to actually check into that, you guys can actually get into the pre-sale here, which ends in 38 days. One quick token is actually 20 cents as of right now, so it's easy, no KYC needed. So if you guys want to look into that, just check in the description down below and in the comments. And that's pretty much the video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.